Mamata Banerjee's big snub to the Congress.
क्या यूपीए? अभी यूपीए नहीं है। यूपीए क्या है? क्या करेगा बैठ के?
It's clear that TMC is not willing to remain a state-level player anymore. Political parties opposed to the BJP are working on realignments. And Mamata Banerjee wants to be seen as a strong force. Mamata Banerjee is exploring new avenues. She has held meetings with regional parties in Maharashtra, the Shiv Sena and the NCP, and ignored the Congress. So what is really working for her? She is buoyed by the thumping success in the West Bengal Assembly election in the face of a stiff challenge from the BJP. Is Mamata Banerjee nursing CM to PM dreams? And she does look like an able candidate, at least on paper. In India, 4 CMs so far have become prime ministers, of which PM Modi is the best example. Mamata has been in national limelight since the 1980s, when she defeated senior Marxist leader Somnath Chatterjee in the Lok Sabha elections in 1984. She also served in the Narasimha Rao government as the sports minister. And believes in truly populist policies, just like another non-BJP CM, Arvind Kejriwal. Is this Mamata's attempt to be the face of the new opposition? And will she be successful? The BJP does not think so.
कांग्रेस रिस्पॉन्ड करना होगा और यूपीए है या नहीं, इट इज द यूपीए व्हिच हैज टू रिप्लाई।
ये जब उल्टे पुल्टे अलायंस की सरकार बनी थी 10 साल, तो कितना लोगों ने जो है वो कष्ट सहा है। अब आज जो है वो उल्टा पुल्टा अलायंस जो है उजड़ता पुजड़ता एक्सचेंज बन गया है।
As 2024 approaches fast, many questions arise. Will Mamata's strategy work? Will she be able to unite the opposition to take on the BJP in 2024? And can she be a strong PM candidate for the future? The political battle has just begun.